only thing I'm praying for in my life was just a clock. You say that you're dealing, but you're really running out of stock. I tried to open up the door, forgot that it was locked. Whole gang full of killers. Go to church, but I'm still a sinner. You want beef, I'm eating dinner. Put them in a blender. JP, stop there talking, I ain't gotta hear you.
Wow. If you are watching me, you might be an African living in the diaspora. If you are watching me, you might be a technician just like me. You see, this is my uniform for work. If you are watching me, you might be a traveler. If you are watching me, you might be a business person. People from Ghana, people from Nigeria, people from Congo, people from South Africa, people from Cameroon, people from Senegal, people from Zimbabwe, from Malawi, all over in Africa. We are here to share information. Be part of the family, guys. Be part of this family. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for?
Guys, from the bottom of my heart, this is the best way I could say to you thank you. Your endless support has been a good energy for this channel. African in the diaspora, Fokou Media remain your channel.
Technician, entrepreneur, business people, traveler, Fokou Media is your channel. Subscribe, like and share. Yes guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a beautiful day, a sunny day in Johannesburg. Welcome back guys, how are you? I hope you guys are doing well today. It's very sunny today in Joburg. It's good, eh? Do I have this? Oh, look at this thing. Look at this. Thank you guys. You have been giving me elephant support. For those who are new here, please do subscribe to the channel. For those who just discover me now, my name is Alphonse Fokou. If you are a foreigner living in the foreign land, this is the channel for you. If you are a foreigner living in the foreign land, we talk about you. If you're a businessman, or if you want to do business in Africa, in the continent, this is your channel. Guys, if you're a traveler, don't forget to subscribe on this channel. We talk about traveling, we talk about business, we talk about African living in the foreign land. Thank you guys, thank you. I appreciate a lot your support up till today. I'll give an elephant thank you to South Africa, who have been the top of the list, giving me a support since we have opened this channel. I'll give the second position to Nigeria. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And then we got the third on the list, which is USA of America. America, thank you guys. I did not know that I'll be making video in Africa, and America will be the third country in the list of supporting me, guys. Thank you very much. I give the fourth country to India. India is actually the fourth country who support me the most since we opened the channel. And then we have the fifth country, who is actually a Kenyan. Kenya is actually a very good support for this channel. So Kenyan people, thank you. Our sixth position, Cameroon. Cameroon people, thank you very much. You guys is in the top 6 country who support me. And then we have a 7th country, which is Ghana. My Ghana people. Thank you guys. You have been watching me, and without you, I would be doing what I'm doing today. Thank you very much. Thank you, South Africa. Thank you, Nigeria. Thank you, US of America. Thank you, Ghana. Thank you, Kenya. Thank you, Cameroon. Thank you. There's many countries in the world watching me. Unfortunately, I cannot name them all. Up till today, there's a lot of countries in the world watching us. We just have to work. I appreciate it. And then That's what actually gives me a lot of energy of working hard. I'm gonna keep working. I'm gonna keep giving you a content, hoping that you'll make difference in somebody's life, hoping that we're going to teach somebody somewhere, hoping that we're going to entertain somebody somewhere, hoping that we're going to be a family. If you have not yet subscribed to Fokou Media, this is the time to subscribe. I find some guys here, they know how to sing.
Yeah.
Do you want to listen to them?
Better put your hands up, you know we came to rob. My niggas put in work, but they don't even got a job. Only thing I'm praying for in my life was just a clock. You say that you dealing, but you really running out of stock. I tried to open up the door, forgot that it was locked. Whole gang full of killers, go to church but I'm still a sinner. You want beef, I'm eating dinner, put them in a blender. JP stop they talking, I ain't gotta hear you.
Wow.
Roll a nigga like a
talented.
I was brought up from the gutter, 223 they make you starter.
Big 308 gon' leave you under.
Wow.
Sensing niggas steady out here
Acting like they trap. You ain't caught nobody, never did no drill, yeah that's cap. Made a lot of checks to finally put my niggas on the map. CD never safe, so I just go and had to take my strap. Hey Enzo, put the switch on for me, broski. Don't even say my nigga, you not my blood, you not my homie. Trapping in that court, I get the speeding like Genovi. So
You're on YouTube?
yeah, YouTube. I just dropped the video today. Codex
You
420.
dropped a video today.
Today.
Okay, what's the name of your
Um,
YouTube channel?
Codex 420.
How long you have been singing?
For years. Yeah, since I was like 10.
That's beautiful. Codex. Wow.
Nah,
Guys,
thanks.
please support my guys. They are very talented.
Thanks.
I love it, man.
Thanks, man.
I love
Thanks,
it. Do you have
man.
any contact number?
Yeah,
Where's
so 073
073?
422 1506.
Wow.
That's my WhatsApp. I don't use calls, just WhatsApp me.
Just WhatsApp now.
Yeah,
So
WhatsApp.
tell me, what do you need my audience to do for you? What do you wish my audience can do for you?
Listen to my music, please.
Listen to your music?
Yeah. Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Please.
If you are watching me in the continent, you are welcome. You are watching me from South Africa, you are watching me from Ghana, you are watching me from Kenya, you are watching me from America, you are watching me from Cameroon, you are watching me from Nigeria. Guys, you are welcome. I know you have been supporting me a lot. Thank you very much. I appreciate that, and then I always appreciate that. Guys, thank you very much. I'm walking here at Auckland Park. As you can see in front of me, we got this tallest building. This tallest building is actually SABC, the national television here in South Africa. So you got SABC 1, you got SABC 2, you got SABC 3, you got also ETV. Guys, that is the national television. If you're in South Africa, that is actually the television you can watch. So I'm here at Auckland Park. Guys, if you are new on this channel, please do subscribe, because that is your best way to support the channel. So the muscle building in my left and in my right is actually SABC, the national television. Actually, here in my right, a little bit up here is a Netcare, and the entrance in front of me here is the university campus. Actually, is Johannesburg University campus. The main campus is somewhere a little bit far from here, and then you can still see here. This is still your SABC television, the massive and the tallest building. Okay. Yeah, this is the entrance of the campus. The campus. And this is one of the entrance of SABC, as you can see here, guys.
Dear followers, without you, Fokou Media will not exist. With you, we will grow together. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in my next video. Hope you're going to share this video. Hope you're going to subscribe and remain part of this family. Fokou Media is your channel. the channel of African Diaspora. Merci les amis. Fokou Media, c'est votre chaîne.